and welcome to my YouTube channel. Word chapter 4 hand on exercise 1 simulation training. So open the word chapter 4. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my ITLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So word chapter 4 hand on exercise 1 simulation training. So word chapter 4 hand on exercise 1 simulation training. Click the launch. Open the word chapter 4 simulation training. So open the word chapter 4. So total question is 4 and we move to the question number 1. Select the all document. So select the all document and change the paragraph spacing 0 point and spacing after 0 point. So go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and click OK. And next is click the after ending question marks and before ending period in the second sentence of the first body of the paragraph ending the string. Insert the citation and new source and selecting the book sections and type the source field and typing the JAVETs. So ending, click the ending question marks and second sentence of the first body of the string. So string. So next is and go to the reference tabs and click the insert the add the new source. So next is add the new source section in the book section and type the source ID and source ID in the author is to, so select the authors Saurav and next is title field is to a white heroine and next is a white heroine and book title is the American traditional and literature. And next is in the create the source dialog box and complete the source information and the year is to 2019 and next is year field page is to 531 the 537 and city field is and publisher fields. So select the publisher field and click OK. So next is 2019 and page field is 2019 and page field is 531 537 and New York, so city is New York and click OK. So next is insert the situation after the word syllabus conversation hold frame and before the period in the first body of the paragraph. Page 1 is the jets and page 1. So edit the so next is go to the after the word frame and before the period first and so next is a Javid situation display after the word staring out of the doors. So next is and click the added situations or type the 532 and click OK. And next is using the added the station dialog box added the Javid station display after the word and convention hold before the period first body of the paragraph 2. So before the first body of the paragraph edit the situation and type the 537 and click OK. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is position the insertion point at the end of the document inside the page break. So position end of the documents, insertion end of the document and insert the page break. So go to the reference tabs. So you go to the insert tabs and click the page break. And next is insert the work credit bibliography. So go to the reference tabs and click the bibliography and click the work credit. And next is selected all text work credits including the work credit heading and change the font to Time New Roman and change the font size to 12. So next is select the all text and work credit and change the go to the home tabs and select the Time New Roman and Time New Roman and font size to 12. And next is set the line spacing set the line spacing all of the text work credits including the work credit heading to double with the paragraph and line spacing to double and click OK. And next is remove the bold formatting from the work credit and center the work credit. So select the work credit and click the centers and remove the bold. So question number 2 is complete And we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, click the after the question mark ending the first sentence in the last paragraph on the page 1 ending in the fairy tale, insert the footnotes and Dr. over to the round Richards. So click the after the question mark first sentence in the last paragraph. First sentence in the last paragraph. So next is find the paragraph. And select the tall and last in the ending the fairy tale, insert the footnotes. So go to the reference tabs and go to the insert the footnotes. So you include the and insert the footnotes. Last paragraph on the page 1. So next is type the Dr. Childers of it is a landlord. At the University of Solution, Southern. Include the period. And next is click after the period. Click after the period ending the first sentence in the first full paragraph on the page 2 and ending the end and insert the footnotes. So first full paragraph on page 2, page 1 and page 2, ending the first all full the page paragraph 2 and the distinct variants. So find the word variant. Find the word variant. So next is typical. Typical variant and go to the reference tab and click insert the footnotes. So type the Grimm and fairy tall is a classic collection of such a story. And include the period. And next is modify the footnote text styles. Include the font size to 12 and the font Times New Roman. So right click the styles and select the modify and font size to 12 and Times New Roman. So next is Times New Roman and click OK and apply and click close. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, with the insertion point at the beginning of the document and select the center alignment and change the font size to 16. So go to the home tabs and click the center alignments and change the font size to 16 and the black text font color. So next is, and press enter 5 times before the pressing enters 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And next is type the analysis. Analysis of a white arrow and press enter. So next is select the analysis if words and cover on page and home tabs in the font groups and change the case to the upper level case and next is to the uppercase. So question number 4 is complete. So I have done the assignment. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So upload the assignment and check the score. You can see the score is Word Chapter 4 Hand-on Exercise Simulation Training. Current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.